Hello and welcome back to our Forge modding tutorial series. This is the start of the 1.14 series and I'm glad you're watching. Let's get started with the installation. First of all, we need the Forge dependency, so we download the MDK from the Forge website. As you see here, we'll use the latest MDK version. You can also update your mod version if you have already installed one. But I will show that later on in the video. I will download the MDK for now. So if you have not started with modding, then you need those three things. First of all, the Forge dependencies. You need IDE, some sort of IDE. May it be Visual Studio Code, or may it be, I don't know, NetBeans, or how is it called? I personally use Eclipse because Eclipse is, I think, has the best tools and it's not too heavy tool. Yeah, don't has too much tools in it, but also got a good tool amount in it. You can download it here at eclipse.org. If you don't know anything about the IDE, there is a documentation around, so you can you can look into the Java development user guide. Also, it might be good to have some background in the programming language Java if you start programming mods. But yeah, the next thing, as I just told, is Java, because Minecraft is entirely Java based. So you need a Java version, to be specific, a development kit that is called OpenJDK, Open Java Development Kit, and you can download that from Adobe, because Oracle actually they got their JDK, but they locked it down, so you can no longer download a JDK version from Java without logging in. This is some sort of bad thing, in my opinion, but yeah. So we use the Adopt OpenJDK, which you can find under adopt-openjdk.net, and there you can use the latest OpenJDK 8 version for Windows, or if you're on Linux, then you can use the Linux version. You also have a Docker image. If you should want to automate your build system, then you can use the Docker image. But I go for the x64 version for Windows. That's pretty much it. If you have downloaded it, then you need to install OpenJDK and your IDE, whatever you use. So now we need to actually install all dependencies from the Gradle script, and to do so we can use a terminal, any terminal you like. PowerShell may be the best option, but you can also use git bash. I don't know, any bash or vim console would do it. So you will type in Gradle gen eclipse runs eclipse. Gen eclipse runs will generate all files used by Eclipse to run, and Eclipse will just configure, I think, the folder or something. These are the two jobs we will run to actually get things going. This should work now. You can also type that in your bash if you'd like to, depending on what you want. So, and to actually update, you can open the build script here, and to update your Forge version, you can just scroll down into the dependency section. There is a Minecraft Minecraft value, which is the dependency. So you see here the version, you can just update the version. A little note, after each update you need to run these commands I just told you about, like gen eclipse runs eclipse. You need to run them again every time you update. So this is basically your update command. You can search for new Forge versions. Forge. Yeah, you just use another Forge version. The Forge build numbers are here, and of course the normal versioning from Minecraft. So versioning from Minecraft, then normal minus sign, then the build number, and then rerun all of that. So there's another thing, you can also update the mappings. Mappings are basically function, then the names of the function and stuff, so that you actually know what the function is doing and that they have better names, because they are obfuscated in the real. So if you just use the normal Minecraft decompilation, this will be obfuscated. But nonetheless, you get a mapping channel here. This will probably stay on snapshot, and then you can update the mappings here to the newest Minecraft mappings. Yeah. So you can view the MCP versions. You see, they only got versions for 1.14.3, but they will work in 1.14.4 nonetheless, and they will export them probably daily. I think there's a job in the background, so you can update those, but you don't need to actually get these things working. It's just better to have them in the newest version. And also there you get the version numbers, and you can put the version number in here to update the version. Here you see that there is a snapshot channel, so they're still on the snapshot channel. Otherwise it would be the stable channel if you got stable mappings. Oops. After you finish the command and it says build successful, you can go and start Eclipse wherever you downloaded it, and you just use any workspace you want. It doesn't matter. And you go there we go. And you go right click, import existing project, and then you select the folder where you put your MDK in, and you make sure to check this box and press finish, and it should now add this project to your package folder. If this package folder should be hidden, you can just press restore and it will open it. You can also delete the example mod package. Just go and delete it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the installation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Hope you like it. Cheers.